How to repost story with background on Instagram. The very first thing you want to make sure that your application Instagram is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, open it. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Now head over to any of the posts or the reels that you want to add it to your story. Let me search for one of the reels. Let's say this is the reels that I want to repost. Click on the share icon and then tap on add to story. Now what you want to do is you have to drag this video to the top of the screen. Once it's done, click on the sticker icon. You have to click on photo. It'll open up your gallery. From here, you have to select any of the picture that you want to add it as the background. Let's say I want to add this picture. Click on it. Simply click on the picture in order to change the shape and the size. Now you have to zoom in this image. Once you have zoomed in, now drag the real video that you wanted to repost. Place it anywhere on the screen that you want to. Now you have to click on the background picture. Click on it until you get the exact size. There you go, the background has been added. Once it has been done, you can click on your story at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your story will be uploaded successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can repost story with the background on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.